I think you are searching about crimping pliers, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality crimping pliers. Need free shipping crimping pliers. Looking for crimping pliers made with high quality steel? Looking for crimping pliers having cushion, grip handle? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best electrical crimping pliers. Number 1. WLXY electrical crimping pliers, and the feature is material, high quality steel. Feature, versatile 8 inches, wire cutter, fine-tune the nut, cut off copper and aluminum wire. Plier style, Chinese. Type, Decrustation pliers. Handle, plastic and cushion grip. Handle provides maximum leverage. Let's go for number 2. CINLINELE electrical crimping pliers, and the feature is material, stainless steel. Handle style, straight. Plier style, European. Crimping capacity, 0.25 to 6 mm. Length, 175 mm. Let's go for number 3. Colors electrical crimping pliers, and the feature is material, carbon steel. Handle style, straight. Plier style, European. Type, combination pliers. Application, multifunctional.